What you, what you doing? Dad, just stay here a little bit. 5 minutes. Dad, 5 minutes. Yolana, say 5 minutes, Dad. Say please. Don't do that there. You have to do it here. Because there's a space. The space. That hurts. That hurts, anak. See, that will hurt you. See? Don't. I think that's not a good idea. You guys are wasting your father's time here. What? Jade, what you can do too is you go turn your back and hold the front like that. If you turn your back. You guys are you guys being good because your gift is coming soon. You guys gift are coming soon. Gift. You think she's Jelana? She think you're Jelana. She wanna drive in the behind you. She's, be nice now. Oh, anong ulam, Chai? Oh, you're tricking? Daddy, you're tricking her. Anong ulam? Thank you, Joanne. Let's go. Daddy's gonna get la la la. Oo. La 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 la. La la la. Oh, enjoy siya sa tatay niya maglaro. La! You said help, help, Miranda. I know you're tricking her. Is daddy tricking you? How come? You guys too loud. You're waking up Jewel. Afternoon, it's evening. La 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 gotcha. La